Amitav Ghosh. He was born on 11 July 1956 in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. He is an Indian. His occupation, he is novelist, essayist and historian. He writes in English, Bengali, Hindi, and he wrote historical fiction, cultural studies, post-colonial literature. He was born into a Bengali Hindu family. His father served in the Indian Army, so Ghosh spent much of his childhood traveling across India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Iran. Growing up in different countries exposed him to diverse cultures and histories, which influenced his later writings. He completed his schooling at the Doon School, Dehradun, where he was classmate of Vikram Seth. He earned his bachelor's degree in history from St. Stephen's College, Delhi University. Later, he received a master's degree in sociology from Delhi University. He pursued a PhD in social anthropology from St. Edmund Hall, Oxford University, England. His doctoral thesis explored the relationships between Egypt and Britain in the 19th century, a theme that influenced many of his later novels. And he began his career as a journalist for the Indian Express newspaper in New Delhi. He also worked as a teacher and researcher in India and abroad. Gradually, he moved toward fiction writing, blending history, anthropology, and storytelling in his novels. His major literary works are The Circle of Region, his first novel, which won the Prix Médicis Stranger, France. It blends science, politics, and adventure. The next, The Shadow Lines, explores national identity, memory, and borders between India, Bangladesh, and England. And he won the Sahitya Academy Award 1989 and Anand Puraskar 1990. In an Antique Land 1992, the Calcutta Chromosome, The Glass Palace, The Hungry Tide, and the Ibis trilogy. In this trilogy, there are Sea of Poppies, River of Smoke, Flood of Fire, and the next, Gun Island, The Nutmeg Curse, Parables for a Planet in Crisis. And his writing style, he is known for combining fiction, history, and anthropology. His writing often explores colonialism, migration, identity, and environmental issues. He uses multiple time periods, interconnected stories, and rich historical detail. His novels are known for meticulous research, strong characters, and poetic storytelling. Awards and honors. He won Sahitya Academy Award in 1989, Arthur C. Clarke Award in 1997, Padma Shri in 2007, Dan David Prize in 2010, and Blue Metropolis International Literary Grand Prix in 2011, and Gyanpith Award in 2018, Lifetime Achievement Award in 2021. And in 2027, Vikram Seth won Padma Shri